Welcome to the bear market. Eesh, 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 eesh. I want to get my chat up. Greetings, everybody. Welcome to the bear market. Holy fuck. Yeah, it's crazy. I spoke about this. I called it. I was the only person saying that these are the targets, but it doesn't feel good. It doesn't feel good, to be right. We do not look good. We do have support. So obviously, I do go along from Fibonacci levels. That's my thing. Right now, we're at 0.5. So this is very good. I should put this in dark mode though, right? Because we're gloomy right now. Okay. All right, so we broke this level here. This was where I spoke about being long on A-star. And yeah, holy fuck. We nuked. We broke here. Non-stop red candles. Apparently CZ is selling. And now we're at the 0.5. 0.5 obviously is undoubtedly a long. We'll reevaluate later. I took profit on my shorts from above. I took about 7K profit on this position. You can see down here, close short, or 8K actually, which is good. And then I just took about a $200,000 long from this position too. So we have the head short still open. And then we have a long from here. I'll open up the VC and Discord as well. Those of you guys that want to join the Discord, I'll add a link for it in the description. Nice, already added. So yeah, here you can see the link here. Further general market looks amazing. I'm also in some meme coin positions as well. I bought dog. It's a good thesis. Thesis says white whale is at 100 mil, big trout is at 4 mil. One of the biggest OG crypto guys is the crypto dog, who's followed by almost everyone in CT and started trading before. Perfect narrative if he gets onboarded. He was also heavy in hyperliquid. Similar to trout, which didn't drop his Solana wallet. I'll transfer him the fees. I mean, maybe. I put stop loss to entry. I don't like that. Oh, we have to wait to send somebody the fees. Nah. What it do? What it do? What it do, bro? Yo, Lev. Bro, I hurt my rib today as well at jiu-jitsu. I don't know what I've done to it, but it's a bit cooked. It is a little bit cooked. They said it's going to 45. Uh, yeah, but I think 57K. I think 57K. I don't think 45. 57K is when I make the next major purchase for everything. I mean, if we go to 57K, Solana goes to what? $40. I mean, I'll buy a decent amount of Solana at 74, and I'll buy some more at 40. Those are my purchases. I want to have like a lot of Sol, 'cause it makes trenching cheaper as well. ETH, I'm not really interested in ETH, but I really like, BTC and Sol. I do think the bottom's in now for the short term, which is why I'm long, obviously. The 0.5 is good enough. I mean, at least for something. At least back to 80. What's this? Tom Lee is getting liquidated. Okay. Don't know how viral Penguin Friends is. BTC gonna go up in March? I mean, it normally goes down in March. So is going to $40. Likely, like not yet though, like just not yet. Don't get it twisted what you see online, like not yet. Like maybe 70 first, like down here, but not yet. Like look at the chart. We're going up. If you're doing a trade, you can check out BTCC as well. I need to set this up actually. 15% deposit bonus. How am I gonna set this up? What's the bot that we use? 70K is plausible. I mean, we're at 70K. Oh, $70? Yeah, plausible. It's kind of like it's time for buying, no? It's not really time for for selling. All right, let me set up this bot. But my rib is so cooked. Okay, we're in. Oh, shit. Hopefully I can get back to training season. Okay, entry, verify, BTCC. Okay, copy link, commands, create a new command. BTCC. Huh? Which kind? Oh, what? What? Okay. All right, try it now. Someone just test it out for me. Put BTCC in the chat. I want to buy. I've been waiting for $70. Yeah, you'll get it. I mean, you'll get it for sure. Me too. I mean, shit. How much is what am I gonna do? What, 40K? I mean, I'll at least buy 1,000 Salon for sure. I bought this compute as well. Signal came in the Discord. Get out of crypto before it's too late. What else are you gonna buy? Even gold's going down, no? What's it to buy? Can you turn that light up just a little bit? Like, up that 2% more. Yeah. Have you got any blue light glasses anyway? My one's done. Unless you got any sellotape. No, broken somehow. Yeah, they always break there. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, orange one's the best. Thank you. Okay, hedge, we can actually get bids on the hedge. I always forget not buying this though. You have to buy. Like it's not nice, but you have to like and like as a trader, like for me, that's what I think. Like I just think like oh you have to do it. You know, like don't want to. Everything's a bit slower. Like obviously you're not in like coins which have ran like I personally haven't had a crazy one recently. But like I have to. I just look at it and I'm like, fuck, I have to. Okay. Today I've been buying $1,000 a day of Bitcoin. Tomorrow I'll do the same thing. All right, we got some signals coming up in the Discord now. Let's see what we got. Jamal, I think this was a manual scan there. 15th email. Goim. I mean, Goim's cut now, no? The toilet. The toilet is probably good, but just don't like bags. Holy, this volatility is crazy. And the sell candles are so strong. World Liberty Fight, everything's crashing. I don't think Soul's going there yet. I think it goes there, but I just don't think so yet. I don't know, bro. NFTs died much faster than meme coins. I mean, we've had what, $300 million runners in the past month, and the market's like this. I don't think we can compare memes to NFTs anymore. Like, bro, Penguin 170 mil, Bitcoin 35 mil, War 29 mil, Soul 27 mil, Testicle 25 mil, Copper 21 mil, Porch 19 mil, Elon 17 mil, Goim 10 mil. I don't think we can compare it to yeah, to NFTs anymore. Definitely not. We haven't even gone on base. Should we have a look at base? What's this? Been DCing some more. I think Molt has a nice run. Right, let's have a look at this. 112 mil. 7 days old. Claunch 41 mil. Kelly 10 mil. Stockbot 4 mil. And Lumen 3 mil. I don't know if we can compare memes to NFTs anymore. They're definitely not going anywhere. That's for sure. Okay, Lion has motion. Holy shit, my ribs are so cooked. I might only be able to stream for a few hours. Up 800k in a couple of minutes. Thanks for putting me on the Fibonacci. No worries. I'm going to drop a proper, like, full tutorial video. It's probably going to be my next video. That I record. Fibonacci is so good, right? Shit. Ugh. Damn, son, my ribs are cooked. Yeah, we had a 10 mil winner literally yesterday, right? Going. GSD, I'm bullish on GSD. I'm not bullish on bags, but GSD is good. GSD is good. We'll see if we can get a 10x on this. It might take a while. Wow, man. They really did it. The dog. The guy actually claimed fees. That's crazy. Bro, did the guy claim fees or not? Shit's running like he did. Hmm. I don't know, man. If he claimed fees, I don't know. Holy fuck. The power of positive thinking. Community, blah, blah, blah. What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck, bro? Mirroring share. Ghosty's got a new song. Let me check. Does chat, does anyone know if the guy claimed fees on this? Am I really just watching this? It's gonna fly to a few more. Oh my god. Unclaimed. So he's not claimed. So I don't get it. We're just running it. What the fuck? How many holders? 280. Everything's got decent volume today. The trenches will never die. Tyra, Ty, some of us had to go back our work whilst waiting for you to return. How was work though? Work good? Oh no, I cheated that dead coin. How viral is this shit? It's 33K views. I don't think it's that viral. It's not a good sign. You're working right now? What do you do? What do you do for work?
Computer, activate rapid fire typing. Computer, activate intense focus session. A plus exam sequencing program starting now. Computer, update this man's firmware to the latest software and give him adrenaline boost powerful angle reduction sequence. Computer,
I can't even laugh, man.
this man
Really.
has the best closing shift of his life. Sorry,
Ah,
computer, update bust down AP system. Computer, computer, run diagnostic test. CNBT ball torch on this guy. Computer, activate rapid fire typing.
oh my god, they're in the matrix. They're programmed. Computer. Update Bitcoin. Pump my bags. Oh my days. Yo, clip that. Mods, clip that, bro. That's funny as fuck. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie, that's funny as fuck. Then if it runs. What's this? Cannot die. Oh, wait. It's kind of viral. 2.7 million views. I mean, yep, it's viral. How's the trade going? Okay, so we're pumping. Maybe that was the bottom. Bring it on. Bring it on. Fuck. Oh, my ribs, bro. Make 40K for every 10% Bitcoin comes back. Computer, activate Bitcoin price up. Computer, activate. It works. Computer, BTC 70K 500. Shit works, bro. Living in the matrix. Yeah, Foot coin is a good coin. I was in Win. I was in Winner. I made like a grand on Winner earlier today. Activate bust down AV. Oh, the guy's funny as fuck. This is gonna do well. I don't know why people try PvP at 10K. Are you in a buy? Yeah. I'm in a short. I'm still a hedge. Very small hedge though. I closed most of the position. Around about 70K, 70K, and then I'm long. I closed like 75% of the short. Structures are not forming. People will still make money. Yeah, but I think so too. I think we make money for sure. Like that's why I'm long, man. It's always frustrating at these points. Like it will test your patience, but it's gotta buy, bro. Don't need to buy too much. Don't need to buy too little. Just gotta click. I just gotta click that green button. That's what I think. I just gotta click it. You know, even like BTC, like, look, if it's at the 50, you know, it's at the 50, so we buy it. Like, it's what it is. You know, Sol's at the 786, then I click the buy button. Like, I'm not gonna overcomplicate it. I mean, it's worked. It's worked every time. Look at this. Like, low to all-time high. Obviously, bear in mind this is FTX, so this like technically don't count. But even if you do it, even if you do count it, like, okay, I buy here spot. I buy here spot. Okay, here and here. It's the bottom. A year. Fine. No problem. 3 years. Actually, 2 years. A year after that, I'm up 400%. Feel like a genius. Buying sell at what 60 and 40, 60 and 30, you know? Just do the same thing again. BTC, you know, I actually have them here. BTC over here, like, okay, I'll wait. I buy at the 0.5, should be white. Quickly, white. Okay, I buy at the 0.5. Come down. Okay, no problem. I'll buy at the 618. No problem. I'll buy at the 786, buy at the 886. After that, you feel like a genius. I was buying Bitcoin below 10K. Okay, next cycle, I'll buy the 0.5. I'll buy the 618. I'll buy the 786. The next cycle, I was buying Bitcoin at 30K. BTC's out 140. Right? Maybe we do the same thing again. Boom, boom. I buy the 0.5. I buy the 618. Damn. I buy the 786. Okay, my average buy is below, I know, 70K. Who knows? Maybe next cycle we're at 300. I feel like a genius, right? We go all the way down. Probably not that far down, jeez. We go all the way down and all the way up. I'm saying, yo, my average buy was, I know, 60K, or 500% on Bitcoin, unlimited liquidity. Probably the same thing for Solana, no? Like Solana. So I'm definitely not buying 0.5 on Sol. We're going to be buying 786, 86. 786, 86 for Sol. Whoosh. Maybe we get, I don't know, $500, $600 Sol. I mean, it seems reasonable. That's a 10x. Even if we're obviously our average buy is going to be here, 5x. Happy days with good size. Computer, Bond Blue Square Alliance. Bond Blue Square Alliance. How long? I think September's the bottom. I did this before. I marked this up. This is the bottom. The bottom. Slash early bull. This is it. September. March is always bearish. Right? We're early in 2026, by the way. You can see here. Right? March is always super bearish. I expect another red candle. Then we have all these months to go. April, May, June, July, August, September. September, we rarely get going again. How do you work this out? You work it out by the halving. So if you go to indicators, my favorites, one of them is the Bitcoin halving. BTC halving events. And you can see, funnily enough, the top came exactly where it always comes. 500 days. 500 days. 500 days, you can't fight it. Right? So when is the bottom? If the top's been right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, it doesn't stop, right? Then where's the bottom? Well, a year after the all-time high, a year after the all-time high, a year after the all-time high, brings us to September. Ain't rocket science. I mean, I didn't want to follow it when it was all the way up there. I didn't want to follow it like a knucklehead. But I'm definitely following it on the way back up, right? So, tough year for the boys. Obviously, we can still trade memes, which is good. But I mean, if we just buy, my ideology is just buy every day under the 0.5. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna buy every day. We may have to close this trade here and keep the hedge. If BTC goes low, we'll have to close this. That's not looking good, bruv. But we'll keep this. Exactly. I mean, the memes not get better now? Does everyone not just trade memes now? There's nothing else to do. Heck, maybe memes get even better. Usain Bolt. Oh my, what a statement. That is a crazy statement. What? Choose justice for oh my, Usain Bolt. What's Jamal? Oh, Gmail. I mean, it should have bonded by now, right? Holy shit. Shit, man. I mean, if we're ranging, I don't know, the market maker's gonna be eating up right now. What is bonding? 40K? That's crazy. Let me get active in the VC. Yo, guys, how are we? When's the next halving? The next halving is, it doesn't say, but halving is every cycle. So we can do the maths. 1,030, 1,030, 1,030. Next halving is in 2027. 2027. So yeah, that, I mean, it plays out. This plays out. I don't know about, I don't know about anybody else, but if you follow this channel, just DCA from now, tune in every day, grind out memes to make a salary. We should be Gucci. Because we didn't have this last bear market. I tell you what we had last bear market. Nothing. No altcoins, no nothing. Nada. Alien abduction. I like hodl. The market doesn't like hodl. I really like hodl. this just a rug? What the hell? The fuck? Getting attacked by mosquitoes. The black book here to expose everybody. Wow. I mean, this is super viral. Let's see how it goes. Oh, holy fuck, chat, my ribs. I've never had a rib injury, believe it or not. How low do I think so will go? Probably $30. Probably $30, bro. Yo, this is ripping. Turn off the screen. Holy shit. Oh, holy shit, we're paid. You about to dip a little bit? Yeah, of course we did. Has it been flipped? Does this guy have a profile picture? I mean, should it not be his profile picture? Do 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 do. Who follows this guy? Everybody? I don't know. Maybe it's been done before. Am I fully stabled? I've been fully stabled since last year. I literally put it inside my Telegram. After Trump, I fully stabled everything. I took some massive losses just in trading, but yeah, I've been stabled. Yeah, I mean, there's it doesn't get bigger than Trump, right? It's crazy that the market bounced back, but and guys, also don't forget to join the Discord as well, man. Hop in there, hop in the Discord. Let's chat. I added a bunch of stuff to the Discord. Like, tell me this isn't the best Discord you've ever seen. Like, we've got smart money flow. You can literally see what every smart money wallet's buying. There's no need to wallet track or anything like that. It's all here. White whale leaderboard. Everyone's buying Goyim right now. You can see it. You've got Fartcoin whales. I track all the Fartcoin whales so you can see when they first bought Bitcoin. You've got signals as well. So this is like smart money wallets and they help track signals. Fibonacci scan. I've got every single token that ever hits the Fibonacci will come in this channel. I was working on this super hard for the past like 2 months. All for you guys and myself, of course. But isn't it already a Bitcoin? Where's the Discord? Yes, underneath this video. Literally underneath this YouTube video. Like if you go in the description, or mods can put it in the chat as well. But you see it. Discord's right here. Join the Discord. Bro, dog is going off, bro. I can't believe it's going off like this. Bro. Bro. Market is definitely okay for memes. Holy fuck, we are nuking. I need to close this position. Good job we're hedged. BTC is coming straight down. But I put it myself out, dog, too, bro. Fuck. I think it's like, it's just because white whale shifted. Yeah, it's a good white whale beta, I suppose. Redacted coin. Trenches were all over this. Base had like 3 days of glory. Because of Malt, though, right? Malt is just not. Any trades? Yeah, I'll do some BTC TA. So look, holy fuck. I have to buy at 618. I have to 57K. Wow. This is this is horrendous. It was a it was a great journey. I don't I'm bullish. I'm bullish. Mm-mm. This year is different. It looks the same as every other time. No way Bitcoin migrate. What the hell? Bro, there's so many Bitcoins. Ty, what do you think? We still in a 4 year? Yeah, bro. We're literally like it's playing out exactly how it always does. Literally hasn't played out any other way. Look, halving, 300 days to all-time high, bear market, 300 days to all-time high, bear market. Literally, according to cycle history, it will be the bottom in September. This will be the bottom. Let me check the OG. This guy's an OG. He's got all the answers. Onks. This is the real Onks.
Good morning. It's almost no news. It is boring as fuck at the moment. You can see on the 4 hour chart that we even break to a low this last night of 72,863. My next buyout orders are on a level a little bit lower, and I'm going to show you why. I'm also going to show you that there's a huge possibility that we will see a bounce very soon. Do you see this orange line? This orange line at the bottom is the previous all-time high of the bull market in 2021. So this all-time high, yes, read it, was of around 70K. Historically, that's big. So please keep an eye on this. That is the low risk area where confirmation of the bear bottom has been made. That is where we start to buy again. So this chart that I made a very long time ago is already telling us that yes, bear market and probably bear market bottom somewhere, in my opinion, in Octoberish. That's exactly 12 months after the top. And from there again, we can again copy these lines, the 2021 or maybe even this time also the 2025 bull market, and move this line, for example the blue one over there, towards the bear market bottom area. Let's say that the bear market bottom area is around 40K there. That would be. And if you move up then again the same way that we moved up now, we would end up somewhere at 250K in 2029. If we would have a bear market bottom like that and we would pull off that blow off top again, then that probably
Yo, bro.
could even be more than 400K.
Fuck all the streaming, bro. You
Now
saying?
you play around with TA and the chart and how you can do the guessing.
You logging on? You logging on today? Hmm. Yeah, hop on, bro. Hop on VC. I might not be able to stay streaming for long, bro. I mashed up my rib at the gym. Don't know, I feel like a ligament. Mm. You reckon? Hmm. Hmm. Say no more. Fair, fair. Hey guys, I'm gonna have to cut off stream early because my rib is cocked. Holy fuck. Well, I'll do another rundown of BTC for everyone here. So, record this, log it in your brain, don't forget it, right? Because we've been right so far. So, we are in the bear market. We have been in the bear market. We are in the bear market, right? Meme coins will be fine. So, stay locked in on meme coins. This is how the cycle works, okay? This is how the cycle works. So, after the BTC halving, it takes 300 days, about a year basically, onto the all-time high. So after the halving, you have a year to all-time high. After halving, you have a year to all-time high. After halving, we have a year to all-time high, right? Approximately. Then after all-time high, you have a year to the bottom. After all-time high, you have a year to the bottom. Okay, after all-time high, you have a year to the bottom. Okay, so it looks like nothing's changing. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Okay, so we have a year to the bottom. The bottom should be around about September, around about September time, right? Now, this is the key. I am personally buying every day below the 0.5. Why? Because that's the 50% retracement level. It's a good position to be buying at. Okay. We have some key levels on the Fibonacci. To set up this Fibonacci, open up your fib on the far left-hand side, click the fib retracement level, open it up, double click it. And when you double click it, screenshot this, copy these settings. Right, make sure you get rid of background as well. Then you want to go from the low, bear market low, which is here, to the all-time high, which is here. Okay, on every time. Anytime you do a fib retracement, it's to catch a retracement level of the percentage basis from the range. So you do low to the high, that's your range. And then this is your range, low to the high. And then you have your retracement points. 236 is obviously 20%. 0.5 is 50%. 6 is 60. 786 is like 70%. 80, 86 is like basically 90%. So this cycle, in the very first cycle, from the first halving, you'll see something very interesting that BTC, if you look at from the halving to all-time high, to the bottom, came down exactly to what? The 886. It's a 90% correction. Okay. The cycle after that, Bitcoin goes from the bottom to the all-time high to around about the 786. We didn't quite get the 886 perfect. 786 was the strongest support. We did have a little breakdown below. If you bought at the 786 spot, you wouldn't be too stressed, right? Obviously, leverage, you have to be more accurate so you don't get liquidated. Then, on the third cycle, right? Very interesting. Again, we go low to all-time high. We go again, 886, right? Perfect. Okay, 786 was also nice. Okay, so if we go from the low of this one to here, we are at 786. 886 is also very, very nice. Okay, these will be the two key levels. Alternatively, what I'm looking at is the whole range. I really think 40K is a possibility. Might not be. Okay, we might already be at the 886, the 786, and we get 886. I might change my mind here. Going through this, I might change my mind. Might have to analyze this off stream, but I prefer. We might already be there. Hold up. Hold up, chat. Yes, but we're early. We're very early for that to be the bottom. Way too early for that to be the bottom. It's here, 350. here to here, 350. Here to, yeah, way too early. Way too early. Yeah, I prefer the other range. I prefer this range. I think this is better. I do think this is a possibility. I do think I should probably be going long. I do think I should be going long from 60 to 50. 6250. It's quite far away, isn't it? No, 66 250. 66. Okay, here we go long. Yeah. So, depends how you chart it up. If you chart it up from the low of the range, which is there, post-halving, we are at the 786, and obviously 886 will be a great buy. Either way, 60K is a great buy, because if you measure it from the low of just before halving, then yeah, 60K is also still a very, very great buy. But, because obviously it is the 618. But I do think 47K is a possibility. Me personally, I'm going to buy Bitcoin again at 60K. That's me. Yeah. So with that being said, guys, I do want to continue streaming. I really do. But I know it's probably not good for my thingy. Because yeah, it needs to be a year. That's why it's a little bit early. So I'm not going to jump the gun. But bounce territory is right here. This is my bounce zone. Okay. With that being said, that's why you got to think. You got to think short highs, long lows, short highs, long lows, short highs, long lows. Fucking hey. Mitchie, big brother. This is way better. Way better than dog. Right. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I appreciate every single one of you. I will have a full-time streamer who's going live right now. He's got one of the best track records in the trenches. He's going live after this stream. So when I finish this stream, he'll be live inside the Discord. So make sure to go underneath this video, join the Discord. Once you get in the Discord over here, you'll see him live as well. So he's going to be live. Also, make sure to check out the Signals channel as well if you're in premium. There's going to be some good signals, some good plays as well for you guys to go ahead and speculate on and go ahead and take them up. If you appreciate this stream, if you appreciate me going live with an absolute cooked rib, which is crazy, please like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm live every single day. I don't care what I'm doing. I will be live every day, same time. I'll try to start doing like longer streams as my rib gets better as well. Yeah, DCA, exactly. So let's go into $20. It's not going to $20. Right? But yeah, appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. And I'll see you guys later on.